Hello folks, Mark here with the Spokane Public Library, also with Startup Spokane, and wanted to run you through the process of downloading search results from DataAxle. So I've just pulled together a list of Spokane County manufacturing companies of various stripes, and we can dump these lists into a spreadsheet, and they're yours to keep and do with them what you will. The process here, it's not exactly the easiest that you might hope for, but you can download these records all day, every day. There's no upper limit there, but you are limited in doing them in batches of 1,000 records at a time. And DataAxle, they only put 25 records on a page, and you can't change that. So basically, if you wanted to get your first batch of 1,000 records, here's the process. If you click that box there next to the company name, that selects all 25 companies here on page 1, and then go to page 2. Select the next page. Go to page 3. Select the next page. So I think that you probably see the pattern here, so I won't make you stick around and watch me go through this whole process. But there is one thing, once we actually get up to 40 pages, that I'm going to cut to here and show you this. Okay, here we are on page 40. Now we've got 1,000 records selected. When we go to download, then you'll be given a couple different options here. I usually go with Excel, and also you can choose particular customized fields that you can pick from. I think the general recommendation is just go with all of the data. You can always hide or delete columns that you don't want to see further down the road, but while you have it all here, you might as well just go ahead and grab it all. So then we go to this download records option, and then it should take that batch of 1,000 businesses, dump it into that Excel format. So there's your first batch of 1,000 Spokane manufacturing firms of various types. So if you wanted the next batch, so if we come back here after we download that first batch, and there are still 265 more records to go, what happens here is if you go to the next page and try to select the next batch, you'll get this notice saying you've gone over your download limit. So what's happening is that first 40 pages of results are still selected, and they're trying to get downloaded again. So rather than go back through 40 pages of deselecting these records as you go, the shortcut here is to just come up here, click the revise search option, give it a second. It'll load the same filters that you just searched for previously, and then you can run the same search, and it gives you the exact same data set in the same order. And then from there, then you can just jump straight to page 41 and then continue the process. Grab your next batch of however many records that you might want, up to 1,000, and then just keep doing that. So that's the quick snapshot there of how you download these records, and it's the exact same process whether you're on the business side of DataAxle for their business directory, or if you're more on their household and consumer side. All right, I hope that helps point you in a productive direction.